Good afternoon from the Netherlands again, vintagemotorcycles.nl. Today we're taking out some two-strokes, the RD350s. Here we have some on a row. We're gonna start them up and make some rides in the street. Johan, go ahead. Here we have the RD250 LC. Nice bike. We can offer the bike for a nice price. It's original paint. This bike is not matching number, but runs nice. Try to come back to that later. Then here, 81 RD350 LC in black. Engine is rebuilt. After the engine rebuild, about 500 kilometers made, not much. Smells good. So this bike, hij lijkt een beetje benzine, joh. Another one in red. And blue-white. It will be black. If you're looking for an RD350 LC, we have some in stock. We have some with matching number, and some don't have the matching number, but still very nice bikes. So in different price levels we can offer you an RD350 LC. Very nice. This one needs to be serviced because the rings in between are missing. But we just wanted to show you that it's running. Great symphony of two-stroke. This one is matching number. We have to do some work on it, but when it's finished, the bike will be left perfectly running. We ship worldwide, it's no problem. You're in America, Australia, New Zealand, Japan, Malaysia. It doesn't matter. Ship everywhere, also to Dubai, Europe. Pak hem er even op. Ga je erin nu? Nou. We will make separate videos now again from the bike. And of course here we have the RD350 YPVS 1991, one of the last. original paint also. Oh, this one, yeah. This one is produced in Brazil. These were sold mainly for the Italian market, the white ones. Personally, I like these ones, the color scheme. Yeah. Cool bike. In original paint. Very nice. 23,750. Cool. Heb je die nog joh? Ja, die laatste. Very nice. Also this one. And the red part will be black, of course. This one has matching number. So if you're interested in one of the bikes, don't hesitate to contact us for price, detailed pictures, more information, video call or a visit. All is possible, and again we ship worldwide, no problem at all for interesting prices. You can see we have more two-strokes, but now we took today we just took the Yamaha RDs, but inside we have more bikes. Now it looks a bit empty, normally it's completely full. We also have the S2 350s, Kawas. Beautiful. Just will be very nice. The 250 1973, H2 750, X7, GT 380s. GT 750. This is also a two-stroke scrambler, DS6. We have also some Aprilias. So, but we'll post them in the next video. So keep following us. Thank you again for watching. Bye bye.